So this piece is all about Lúsaí, and Lúsaí introduces herself by saying Dia Gwich, which literally means God be with you. She says, Lúsaí is anam dum. Lúsaí is the name given to me. Lúsaí is my name. Tá me ní milliana dish. I am 9 years of age. Tá me imaconi. I am living in Malia Mór, in the big town. Tá cúigar in my clan. There are 5 in my family. Tá birch jahoraka agum. I have 2 brothers. And Neil Ain Fiata agum. I don't have any pets.